What's up, YouTube? Today I'm going to show you how to use the S Plus. Okay, see? S Plus. Now for this to work, you have to push this. I mean, you have to be at least maybe at least 30 kilometers to do this. Okay, so okay, you have to push this, and then you have to let go of the pedal and then accelerate. Okay, I'll push it. See, it's blinking, and then I push the pedal. See, it turned red. See, that's how you use the S Plus. Okay, let's try again another. Okay, push. I'm not losing the pedal, okay? And then pedal. Okay, use it wisely. Okay, goodbye. Don't forget to subscribe. Okay.